Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to add friends on Boom Beach. Adding friends on Boom Beach is super easy. Launch open Boom Beach application on your device and make sure that you are in the main homepage. Now click on the gear icon on the left-hand side menu. Now click on Supercell ID option. You will then end up in the Friends tab. Click on the little plus button at the bottom right corner. Then click on Share Link to Profile. Select any contact from the display. You may also go ahead and choose different kind of apps such as WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. And after you make a choice, you will then be able to see an automated generated invitation link. Type in the name of the contact you are trying to send the invite to, and then click on the green arrow button at the bottom right or the send button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send an invitation link to one of your friends. Once added, or if the invitation is accepted from your friend, you will be able to see your friends in the Supercell ID friends list and play together in Boom Beach. And that's it. You will then be able to add friends in Boom Beach quickly and easily. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.